And this is news that's coming in as far as Aryan Khan's bail plea is concerned. The court has reserved its order on Aryan Khan's bail plea. The order will now come on the 20th of October. Those are the details here coming in at this point in time. Remember, this hearing has been going on since yesterday. It was adjourned yesterday and then continued today as well. It has been going on for the last several hours, and now the court has reserved the order. Mayuresh is joining us for more details. Mayuresh, if you can just give us a sense of the kind of arguments that happened back and forth, as well as the fact now that it's going to be another 5 days as far as the order itself is going to come.
Absolutely, the court has reserved its order till 20th of this month. On 20th of this month, court will basically give its order on the Aryan Khan's bail plea. And not only Aryan Khan, but Munmun Dhamecha and Arbaz Merchant also. Now, what exactly happened in the court today? Basically, both the sides again argued on WhatsApp chats. They again argued on seizures. Different, we can say, judgments were read out in the court, including the Bombay High Court and including the other High Court jurisdiction, about how, though there is no seizure from the person who has been arrested, but his connection with the other person from whom the seizure has been done, that is also important, and that's why the person has not got bail. So these kind of arguments happen, and even the prosecution had given the references of many other cases, whereas defense also clearly said, and they have given the reference of Shouvik Chakravarti case, where Shouvik Chakravarti was basically granted a bail after filing the charge sheet also, because his role was only to facilitate the contrabands, and he was not into the consumption, and that's why Honorable Bombay High Court only granted him a bail. So these kind of arguments happened from both the sides, where both the sides, as I said, gave a lot of judgments from Bombay High Court, from other sessions court, and finally the court has decided to pronounce its verdict on 20th of this month.
Yes, absolutely, Mayuresh. And in terms of, the kind of arguments that were put forth, like you said, that there were a lot of other judgments being read out to sort of establish what was being said here. But Aryan's lawyer consistently has been maintaining that because nothing was found on Aryan, this kind of extended custody is not warranted.
Absolutely, because from day one they are arguing that all the sections which have been slapped, or which have been basically put against all three accused, are bailable. Second thing, Aryan's lawyer continuously said that nothing was seized from him. We can say the prosecution was relying on the WhatsApp chats, but they said that these chats are old, and that during that time he was not in India, he was staying abroad, and in some other countries some chats or some subjects don't have that kind of a restriction which we have it in India. So that's why we have to look those chats from that particular point of view. They also said that if the bail is granted to Aryan or other two accused, also arrested accused, then they are cooperating with the agency. They have already given their statement, and they are ready to come. To record their statement or cooperate with the agency. Defense also clearly said that prosecution has not come up with new evidences, with new statement, because on 4th of October only their statement was recorded. But after that, there was no new statement was recorded, no new evidences they have come up. That's what defense clearly said. So this kind of arguments basically happened, where defense also, as I said, tried to give the Shouvik Chakravarti and Riya Chakravarti case, where Shouvik Chakravarti got, we can say, the granted bail by the Bombay High Court when he was also arrested under the similar sections.
Right. And Mayuresh, any interesting observations by court while these arguments were going on back and forth? Anything important perhaps that court said during this time?
No, court hasn't said anything, or there was no observation from the court, because court was hearing both the sides. First, it was ASG who argued individually on everyone's bail application. Then the defense counsel started arguing. And as I said, the WhatsApp chats was the main issue, because this time they said that we have to understand that this is a new generation. Their language is new. Maybe the people who are in their 40s or 50s, they are not even aware of such kind of language, or they are not used to such kind of language. But we have to see it from that point of view. And defense also somewhere said that the bail should be granted to all three as they are the bailable offences. The sections are bailable. But yes, if court puts some kind of strict restrictions on them, then we are agree and we will definitely accept those restrictions. But the bail should be granted in that scenario.
All right, Mayuresh, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. So now it's going to be 20th of October when the order on this plea, the bail plea of Aryan Khan, will be pronounced.